The score is 37 for 2. We are chasing 190. Oh. This is Hollingworth cricket ground. Nathan taking photos.
Yeah.
The proper photographer. We're 37 for 2. I opened the batting, scored. I was lucky I felt alright, scored 7. And then I just got one that came in off the seam, playing outside off, and it just bowled me middle and off. So I'm lucky. Took a few good shots, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel you getting 4s.
one 4.
Again, it's a good shot.
Yeah, it was a good shot. I did enjoy playing that shot. I felt alright, but just one of those things. 37 for 2.